Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Philo app on your Smart Blu-ray Player, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Turn on your Smart Blu-ray Player and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store or App section on your Blu-ray Player's main menu using your remote control. Step 3. Search for the Philo app by typing Philo in the search bar. Step 4. Select the Philo app from the search results and click on Install or Download to begin the installation process. Step 5. Once the app is installed, open the Philo app from your apps list. Step 6. You will see an activation code displayed on your TV screen, along with instructions to visit philo.com, activate. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to philo.com, activate. Step 8. Log into your Philo account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Step 9. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 10. Click Submit or Activate to complete the process. Step 11. Return to your Blu-ray player and wait a few moments for the app to refresh and load your Philo content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.